Hi, this is David from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be showing you 2 ways to quickly turn your Wi-Fi back on if for whatever reason it's off. I'll be using a Getac S400, but the same fix works for most units. Now there is a Wi-Fi switch on the side of the unit, but that sometimes gets worn or broken, so I'll give you 2 alternatives. The first way is using your keyboard. As you can see, the Wi-Fi at the moment is not connected. Now on this particular keyboard, the FN key is on the bottom left corner. Now holding the FN key down, you want to now find the wireless icon. This is going to be across the number keys on the top of your keyboard. In this unit, it's the F1. This will prompt icons across the bottom of the screen. At the moment, there was an X over the wireless icon showing it's off. And when there's no X, it's on. Leave the icon with no X, and now you can connect. The second option is using the taskbar icons. Again, I'll start with the Wi-Fi off and not connected. Now you want to scroll your mouse over so that you can expand the icons on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you could see them, you want to find the one that reads Getac Utility and right click. It'll give you 4 more options. Click the second one, Quick Bar, and again, you'll get icons across the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to access the wireless and turn it on and off. You don't want to forget to hit the save button, which is the closest one to the bottom. And you're all done. You can access your Wi-Fi now and connect. And I hope this helped. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you.